Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about why Apple failed with the iPhone 12 mini. Let's head into it. The problems. As we move into the new year, there are more and more problems plaguing the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. While Apple's iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max have received excellent reviews. They're not perfect and are among the best phones you can buy right now. iPhone 12 mini users are complaining about a wide range of problems, as in previous years. We have not heard of any widespread gate problems. Keep in mind that the iPhone 12 mini is only a few months old, and while Apple and its partners may solve some of these problems, we'll probably see more issues popping up as people put more wear and tear on these new models. Similar problems face the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, as they share many parts. They have been released at the same time and are the first iPhones to launch with 5G networks in mind. You can learn about the current status of the current iPhone 12 issues in the following guide: potential fixes for these issues, locations to find feedback, and what's next for these devices.
I don't like this thing. I don't like how it's, the first version of software, the first phone a couple months. You spend the money now, I want to get a better phone now.
What's wrong? Fresh iPhones are always plagued by activation problems, so it could come as no surprise to learn that some owners have dealt with them. Check Apple's system status page if you have problems activating your phone. If next to iOS device activation, you don't see a green symbol, you'll want to wait until it's green, and then try activating the phone again. Make sure you have a SIM card inserted into your iPhone if it's green and the process still doesn't work. We also hear about Face ID issues, first and third-party applications issues, Exchange issues, iCloud issues, visual voicemail, SIM card problems, Bluetooth issues, screen issues, design, charging, Wi-Fi issues, sound issues, and excessive battery drain. While devices are in standby mode, there is some chatter about display problems. A greenish tint is shown in some iPhone 12 mini models, and other users deal with flickering screens. Luckily, Apple is aware of the problems and is currently investigating how they can be solved. Similar problems were seen by iPhone 11 users, but with its iOS 13.6.1 update, Apple was able to fix them. That bodes well for users of iPhone 12, who will likely get a similar fix in a future update to iOS 14. On top of that, iPhone 12 mini users complain about problems with 5G or LTE. Some users say that while on the go, cellular services drops unexpectedly. Others complain that they don't see the speeds of 5G they expected.
A lot of people have been pretty much complaining about touch sensitivity issues, also 5G issues and data and text issues as well.
When iPhone 12 Pro owners close their different apps, we've also seen several complaints about a stutter. Since launch, the problem has been ongoing. It's important to know that 5G is a relatively new technology and it can be inconsistent with coverage, as carriers such as Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile build their 5G networks. Some of the frustrations with a slow 5G performance should be solved over time.
With the 12 mini, I get zero service inside the building, and outside it is still a fair bit slower than the iPhone 12.
Conclusion: if you're planning to buy an iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, or iPhone 12 Pro Max, or if you already own one, you'll want to track feedback from people who have purchased these devices. This feedback will alert you to possible hardware and software problems. For ongoing feedback about the flagship phones, we recommend keeping an eye on our YouTube channel, Apple's discussion forums, and social media sites like Twitter. There's no need to panic if you run into a problem. You'll be able to avoid taking your new device to the Apple Store or your local carrier store for assistance. There's a good chance. Try restarting your phone if you're dealing with wireless charging issues. Apple says it's working on a problem solution, but when it rolls out, it's unclear. You'll want to check Apple's discussion forums and see if someone has a fix for your issue. If you can find a fix for your problems in online guides, it's time to get in touch with Apple if you can't find anything there. You can do so on Twitter via the support account of the company. You may also contact Apple support through the company's website. If you would prefer to explain your problem in person, you should take your new phone to your local Apple store and see if your problem can be diagnosed. You'll want to schedule a Genius Bar appointment if you have an Apple store in your area. Your iPhone 12 mini is currently under warranty, so if the issue is serious enough, they might offer you a replacement. What do you think about the iPhone 12 mini? Do you agree that Apple failed? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.